Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be updating my Shop My Stash. We're going to go through the products that I used this past month, which was January 2025. We're going to see, did I use them, did I not, blah, blah, blah. Last month was red rose theme, which is why everything in here is red theme. I believe there's some things missing because I do have some things set aside for another get ready with me moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab those and add them here. But for the most part, everything is here and it's all red theme. After this, we're gonna go ahead and pull a card for the next month and we're gonna see what the theme is. You guys are gonna come into my collection. We're gonna pick out products for that next month. So if you want to see what's going on, did I love these products, did I hate, and also what the new theme for February is, just keep on watching. Alright, so quick disclaimer, these products here are my holy grails, right? We have the powder from Lee Cover, which girl, I hit pan on. We have the Lee Cover also from Temu, and then my She Glam girl. These are all faves, so I'm going to go ahead and, set them aside. We're going to pick out some new products, but I just wanted to mention them here quickly because these are ready to go for my next get ready with me because I just love them so much. So again, She Glam, 7th Girls Brow Gel, and Lee Cover from Temu. These are amazing. I love them. Right, so let's get in here. Let's talk about La Sandia palette. So this one here is from City Colors. You guys know these are the colors. I didn't touch it. Yeah. Okay, anyways, let's move on. We have the One Size palettes, which I really do enjoy. We have the bronzer here. Girl, these are really, really pigmented. So I'd say take a light hand. I always go in with the middle shade. These are just amazing. And then we have the blush one, which I really enjoy as well. I just really love One Size as a brand in total. I just love these. So really glad that these got chosen last month. Let's get in here. We have a primer from XX Revolution, which is the mattifying primer. I really actually do enjoy this. The character itself kind of scares me. I don't know why. As a kid, it's just like always kind of scared me. But I really like the product itself. It's more of a silicone kind of moment, as a lot of mattifying primers are. But I think this one's cute. It's a really good primer, and I'm glad that I chose it last month. We also have one of my fave cream blushes. This one is from Temu. It's so good in the shade 3. It's amazing, girl. Definitely recommend if you haven't tried it. Definitely give it a try. Again, from the Temu website. I'm gonna see if I can link it down below, just so you know, because Valentine's is coming. But this one's so good, girl. We have the Phantom Highlight, a goodie. You guys know I live for this highlight from Ioni Cosmetics. Love this highlight. This was part of one of their like Halloween collections or something a couple years ago. Love this. I completely forgot this was also chosen. I myself am a strange and unusual, I guess, person. I don't know. This is from the Beetlejuice collection. Girl, I kind of miss doing my get ready with me videos using my Shop My Stash because it kind of reinvigorates, and allows me to use these a little more. However, I think I did use the like face products, not the eyeshadow palettes, but the actual like the rest of the products on a video on shorts, as well as like across my social media. So I'm gonna have that video down below, but I didn't use the palettes, which I'm a little sad about. We have the Italy Deluxe, Fat and Juicy Lip Glow Oil. This one's also really nice as well. It's just really pretty in the shade That's Hot. We have the Coca-Cola Lip Balm. This is so cute. I love this. We have a setting spray from One Size Until Dawn. I still have some in there. I thought I was going to finish it up this month, but no. I still have a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and keep this in the collection. It's cute, not a fave, but it's kind of there. We have the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, which you guys know I live for. The Mini Star Infallible 24-Hour Concealer. Just gives me all the vibes that I need. Super Fan Mascara. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in my empties bin just because it's a little old on like the older side, and I think it's time to get rid of this, but it's just so good. I have not wanted to part with it, but it is on the older side, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in my empties. We have the One Size lip liner in the shade Code Word. This is a goodie actually, and you guys know how I feel about like pencil products I have to sharpen. Not my faves, but this one's actually really good. We have one of my favorite eyeliners. This is the LA Colors Gel Eyeliner in black, in midnight black. Yes, so good, girl. I forgot this was in here. AOA Studio Filter Free Face Primer. I don't know how it went under the radar. I forgot it was in here. Weird. We have the lip gloss from Cosmic Cowgirl. This is a lip gloss. Yeah, it was like whatever vibes. I really do enjoy the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. This one's stunning. It's in the shade Missy and Fierce. It's beautiful. We also have the Colors Gel Lip Liner in the shade Figgy. Lastly, the lipstick from Maybelline. I didn't really get to use it a whole lot, but it's really pretty. I love the color. And that's it, I guess. I feel like we missed some things. I don't know. I feel like that was really quick and like a little bit of products. But let's get into the cards and let's see what's pulled for next month. There we go. So we have the Shop My Stash cards, as I mentioned in my last video. All of these have potential themes on the back. So we're going to go ahead and shuffle this and we're going to see what the theme will be for February. And let's see what pops up, what's going to go, what's happening. I'm a little nervous. Let's hope we get something Valentine's themed for next month. Okay. Mean Girls theme. Yes. I'm excited, and funny enough, I actually have the palette pulled for tomorrow. Yay, I'm so excited. All right, so awesome. So Mean Girls theme, meaning that pink palette from is it Profusion or Revolution? I don't know, we're gonna see, but yay, I'm so excited. And it's definitely a girly theme, girl. So yes, first of all, I already went ahead and pulled my Revolution burn book. This is the Mean Girls collection that I purchased last year. Look at how stunning this is. Isn't this beautiful, girl? So this is going to be the palette that I'll be using throughout the month of February. And now let's go ahead and get some pink products pulled. So the first drawer, as you guys know, is my like single shadows and such. We have brow products. We also have some more single shadows, some glitters, eyebrow products and such. So for sure, I'm going to pull this Ioni Cosmetics Sparkle Eyeliner in Sparkle Pink because, girl, why not? So this is Mean Girls theme. If I don't have a Mean Girls, obviously, like product, we're just going to be choosing pink. So we have the Ioni Cosmetics Glitter. For brows, I'm thinking we're going to do Mystic, the She Makeup Mystic Moods Eyebrow Pen in dark brown, as well as this Ioni Cosmetics Brow Pencil in medium brown, but the product itself actually did switch it out, so it is dark brown in there. And we're gonna do the Ioni Cosmetics Brow Gel in clear as well, so all like pinky products for the new month. In this next drawer, we do have a couple of products in here. Now again, I was gonna do a look tomorrow with pink products, so I already do have my pink things pulled. Example, we have the Ioni Cosmetics Ultra Skinny Color Mascara in Fuchsia, which is their literally super skinny mascara. We have that pulled. We have the Ioni Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara in black, which we're going to pull as well. The Bratz eyeliner. This is just from the Revolution collection in black. This one's pretty good. And we're also going to choose the LA Colors Gel Lip Liner, which I actually do like using as an eyeliner. So we're going to go ahead and pull these four mascara and eyeliners. As for lip liners, I didn't really oh, that was cute too. For lip liners, I didn't pull anything. So let's see, Mean Girls theme. You know what, I'm just gonna pull one of my faves I know I'm gonna use a lot, the JCat Roll It Up Auto eyeliner. I like to use it as a lip liner in the shade brown. And I think we're gonna do, ooh, this Smashbox Be Legendary Lip and Prime Pencil. Yeah, I think that's the shade. Be Legendary is the shade. So we're gonna go ahead and do some brownie tones for the lips this month. Next we have my lip products. These are like my lip oils and such. Go ahead and pull the Beauty Creations lip oil. This one's stunning, girl. In the shade, what shade are you? Lovertini. It's just beautiful and pink. I love it. Next, we have my primers, which let's see what we get from here. We're going to go ahead and pull these two, the Inner Self Youthful Glow Primer from Chamase, as well as the Be Pure Essentially Ageless. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and pull these two. Again, there's another look at the Mean Girls Burn Book. How stunning is this palette? It's so beautiful. All right, and next we're gonna go ahead and pull foundation. I really do, let me see, Mean Girls, again, I said it was like pink products, but I did go ahead and repurchase my She Glam foundation. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this. And I think for concealer, I kind of want to pull some products that I haven't used, like the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer from Temu is another one that I haven't touched. So we're going to go ahead and pull these two. Next, we have lip products. I'm going to choose an oldie but goodie, the Too Faced Melted Matte, because it's pink. And I think we're going to do, ooh, why don't we do this one from Be Pure, this lipstick, because I never use it and it smells like chocolate. It smells amazing. All right, and next we have my lip glosses, which I already know what I want. Lip gloss that's like bedazzled. How stunning is this? So we're gonna go ahead and pull this lip gloss. Next we have my cream products, which, what do I want? Why do I kind of want to use my Beauty Creations products? I also have my cream blushes. I think I'm going to go ahead and pull my Beauty Creations little cream products that I found at Marshall's. And that's what we're going to use for like cream products because they're just stunning together. So we're going to go ahead and pull these. Next, we have my setting sprays. I really do want to use this up. Should we pull it again? We're going to go ahead and pull the One Size Until Dawn again, just because I really do want to go through this. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Next, we have my powders. I really do want to use this Ioni Cosmetics Mattifying Primer because it's a little heart. We're also going to use the, I think I have a Mean Girls powder. Actually, here it is. Revolution, she doesn't even go here. Mean Girls Loose Powder. Let's go ahead and pull this. For bronzer, the only pink bronzer that I have is the Beauty Creations in Down to Earth. So we're going to go ahead and pull this. Look at how cute this Ioni Cosmetics Mattifying Primer is. Oh, powder primer. How cute. And next we have blush. I don't remember if we have one from the Revolution Mean Girls collection. I don't think so. Okay, so either the She Glam Bear one, because this one's adorable, or should we do Barbie? I think we're gonna do this. He's so cute. Very like she doesn't even go here vibes, you know? Lastly, for highlight, we're gonna go ahead and let me see. I don't think there's a Mean Girls highlight in here. Ooh, let's do Beauty Creations. There's that one. Or actually, kind of want to do the W7 one that I debuted in a recent video. This one's really pretty. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull this for highlight. Oh my goodness. Wow. Girl, I had cream. I thought I just pulled one cream product and I had these hidden. What? Alright girls, so these are all the products I'll be using in the month of February. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did stick with the pink Burn Book Mean Girls vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Cannot wait to use all of this on my face. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. And also I am starting a playlist for my Shop My Stash for this year. So definitely stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.